Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling NFC so the phone can read tags. Go to Settings, Connected Devices, Connection Preferences, then toggle NFC on. Once done, make sure your Motorola model actually has NFC hardware and that battery level is above 10% so scans don't fail mid-transfer. Prepare the physical tag or payment card now and remove thick cases or metal accessories that block the antenna. This step gets the radio active. You're ready to place the tag near the phone's NFC area to initiate communication. Now you'll scan and configure the tag. Place it along the center back area of the Motorola and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds until you see a prompt. Next, use a trusted app like NFC Tools or the phone's built-in options to read existing data, write new records, or assign actions such as launching an app or toggling Wi-Fi. Make sure to set locks or tag passwords if you store credentials or automation that should stay private. This prevents accidental overwrites and explains why security matters. Finish by testing the tag with its intended action. Tap it and confirm the app or setting triggers. If it doesn't work, reboot your Motorola, toggle NFC off and try again holding the tag within 1 inch of the phone's NFC area. Also verify tag type. NTag 213, 215, or 216 are common, and confirm compatibility because older or proprietary cards can fail. One key troubleshooting tip. If reads still fail, remove cases and metallic mounts, then retry. Antenna alignment is usually the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.